Vice Cosmetics One and Done Stick is now finally back and now reimagined with new innovative shades and built-in brush. This is how it looks like. This is the built-in brush. Let's start first with the bronzer and contour. We have two shades for the bronzer and now we have two new shades for contour. For the bronzer, I'm going to be using the shade Push. This is my favorite bronzer product ever since. I put here on my cheeks, on the jawline, and here on the temples. I always blend my bronzer upward so that it would create more defined look since I have a very round face. See that? Very easy to use. You can really tell the difference. Now time for contour. I'm going to be using this for my nose. This is in the shade Dusk. This contour shade is perfect for nose contour. For the blush, I have a lot to choose from, but for me, pink works with my skin tone very well. So I'm going to be using this shade Flatter. Flatter is a rosy pink, which I love. I want to put it a little bit high since I have very round face. I want to keep everything lifted. This blush shade is very beautiful. The brush that comes with the product is very helpful. And this is how it looks like after using the Vice Cosmetics One and Done sticks. I love it and I'm glad that they put brushed on the other side of the product and they included such a great new shades. This will be launched on May 30, 2024 at 7:30 p.m. So if you want to keep it one and done, better check out now.